So here is Cube Widget App, wallpaper and icons. So you can just tap get to install it. So double click to install. So there you have it. Cube Widget, wallpaper and icons make your home screen look great. It mainly has the following functions: add a calendar and clock on the desktop, and master a schedule anytime, anywhere. Select photos from the album to the home screen to make the desktop look great. You can add weather widgets to the home screen to take weather conditions anytime, anywhere. You can customize your own widget in all aspects. You can choose your favorite themes, wallpapers, and icons. And you can subscribe and get the content only for $5 per week, which is very cheap price actually. And then here you can see in here a lot of themes. And then yeah, you can just go and open it up. So just continue to the app. So 3-day trial, $5 per week, or a lifetime subscription, $49. And then there is some $40 per year, but there is a limited free version which looks like this, where you have a lot of themes, you have a lot of icons, you have wallpapers, and then you have widgets in here which you can use. So yeah, and then you just install them. So it's like basic app which you can use, a lot of themes, quite cheap if you try to use it weekly. So that's the idea.